So we're back on board the boat, came over to find out why the steering was sluggish, and we found a great big ball of seaweed just on the whole rudder assembly in skeg, not on the boat. The boat's quite clean underneath, but well, at least we know what we have to sort out now. So we're going to spend the night here and then just go for dinner tonight. Boat's very clean because we've been using salt away, and it's really good. It keeps everything, all the salt on the railings is dissolved. So I'm surprised at how long we've been away from the boat and how it's remained still in very, very good condition. Kouranui looks pretty tidy at the moment. I just finished off the varnishing around the windows. Not many people on the marina today. It's Sunday afternoon, the 17th or 18th, I think. Nobody here. This is Rolf's old boat behind me. He's just done it up. It was falling to bits with rot, but he's actually made a very good job of it. Looks very smart now. This is a great little boat. This was owned by Chris and Bonnie Helms, and then they sold it because it's a little bit light on room down below. It's amazing how a boat goes backwards if it's not really kept up. I'm just looking at the woodwork here, the paint. It's a lovely old thing, but you really do have to work to keep them in good order. Another nice shot of Kouranui again, looking nice and clean and tidy. Well, it's dinner time, so Michelle and I are going to Rasase over the road here for dinner. Here she is.
Yes, we are.
Always hit or miss for us, but...
Turn around.
Oh, now you're featuring.
Oh, you've got a GoPro!
I do YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bought it for his
And this is good.
birthday last year.
This is good advertising for Tam,
It is.
because we do all my boat trips on it.
Yes, absolutely. I quite like it, not so does he? I really like it.
We're all set up, got our tucker for the night.